first with this one right here, because it's burnt out, is you want to push this tab right here. After you push this tab right here, while you're pushing it down, you push the connector down. See? There. To remove that. Once you remove that, you can start turning this counterclockwise. And kind of like it comes off, you see? So now we get the new one. I'm just reenacting this. We already replaced it. So you get your new one. Okay. And then you kind of like put it the same way you took it out. Like that. Make sure that it goes in there completely like it is now before you start turning it to the right side. So now it's in there, so I'm gonna push it to the right side. Turn it to make it tight. There. See, now it's back to where it's at. There. Now I'll put the connector back. And that's it.